So today, we're gonna do some fried rice. Now, I had some Chinese like 2 days ago, and I had some rice left over, and I thought it was a lot, but then when I grabbed it today, it's not. I got like, I don't know, here, check that out. That's maybe 2 cups, 2.5 cups. I'd usually use 4, so this might turn out to be stir fry with some rice in it. We will see. I thought I had more than this, but it is what it is. So, buddy of mine, I used to live with this guy named Igor, and he was a chef. He's a big shot chef in LA. Now he's in New York, but we lived together here in Temecula, and we would go down to Lazy Dog for football, and he would always get fried rice for breakfast. I'm like, what? Fried rice for breakfast? And then I tried it one time, but I had the secret ingredient, pineapple, to the chicken fried rice is the secret ingredient. And then my girlfriend and my son, who's taking the video right now, they go like, oh my God, this is awesome. So we do fried rice for breakfast. It's a breakfast food. That's it. So let me go through everything. When you're making fried rice, or basically any Asian dish, you have to be prepped, ready to go. I mean, like now, go. Like you can't forget anything. Like in my head, I already forgot a spoon, but there's a fork over here I'm gonna grab. I'm just gonna use the fork instead. Let's go over what we got. I got 1 chicken breast. It's about 3/4 of a pound. Sliced it in half, diced it. Pieces about this big, I'll show you in just a second, but it's over there in the shape. Vegetables, come on. So I got red bell pepper, carrot, and snap peas. I like snap peas instead of snow peas because the snap peas are thicker and more crunch. I hate the frozen peas. Like people always, oh, that just blew away, don't go away. People always use the frozen peas. I hate frozen peas, they're disgusting. Don't ever use them. And never eat peas out of a can. It's the most disgusting thing you'll ever have. Also, this right here, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Let me show you. Oyster sauce right there. I got this at Albertsons. You can get it anywhere. All it is basically pure liquid salt. It's so salty, it's stupid. But that's why I'm not gonna add salt. I got some sesame oil to drizzle at the end, canola oil. I got 3 eggs, got some sugar we're gonna put in, some garlic, sesame seeds, some pepper, and our rice. Now, what I don't have is one of those things like this. So this is one of those turkey, like if you're doing a turkey on Thanksgiving and you're frying the damn thing, this is what you put your oil on. Because the kitchen that I'm in, I just rent a room from this place. In the kitchen, and I'm not kidding you, the kitchen is, I would say this wide. So me and my son could not be in there at the same time. We just tried it. I tried to go to the refrigerator, he was staying in front of it, couldn't get around him. It's just painful. So what I'm gonna do is use this. You could do this on the stove and just crank your heat up, but I think I like this because I can get a really high heat off of this. So I don't have one of those starter things, so I'm gonna be very don't do this at home, kids. I'm just gonna take some newspaper and light it because I only got one of these little lighters. So let's see how this works. Oh, it sounds like something's going on. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna let that go. I'm not gonna grab that. Look out, dog. We got a fire. All right, I'm not sure if this was the best idea, but it did work. Why won't this stop? Uh-oh, uh-oh. There we go, okay, that's out. All right, we're good. All right, so when I do stir fry, I like to do vegetables first, then my protein, then add the vegetables back. If you do your protein, take that out and add your vegetables, your protein gets, it like hardens up. I don't like that. All right, so this thing's smoking hot already. Here we go. Oil. It's gonna go quick. Vegetables, I cut them small. We got carrot, bell pepper, snap pea. Save the, oh my God, this is way too much. Save the pineapple for right at the end. What I would normally do is put in some onion, but I forgot it. I would have put some onion in first and then add these in after about 20 seconds, but I completely forgot the onion. All right, Let's do a little pepper. All right, get these going. Did I forget anything? That's the key. Isn't that pretty though? That's why I chose these vegetables, because it's just looks good. Because you eat with your eyes. So it should only take maybe, I don't know, 3-4 minutes. I'm thinking I need a drink while we're waiting. Jack and ginger, it's what real men drink. We're almost done here. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Throw in a little garlic. I got this garlic out of the jar just because I'm lazy today. I didn't want to chop up a bunch. Throw a little garlic in. All right, those are done. All right, let's get these off here. Put that back on. Go get my protein, which is chicken. Smoking hot again. 3/4 of a pound of chicken that I chopped into, I don't know, maybe 1/2-inch cubes. Some more oil. Boom, we go down. That's it. Get this thing out of here. I'm not using salt, okay? I'm not using salt because that oyster sauce and the soy sauce I'm gonna put in later are super salty. Ah! That's hot! Now we just wait. I told you it's a quick dish. Ah, got a straggler. All right, so once I'm done with this chicken, I'm gonna move it off to the side. I'm gonna put my egg in. That'll take about 10 seconds to cook. Then I'll put my vegetables back in, along with the pineapple, the rice, my sauce, and it's done. Am I screaming? Because it feels like I'm screaming. All right, I don't think I need to scream. All right, chicken's almost done. So let's move it aside. I'm gonna cook it just a little bit longer. I always freak out about chicken. I always overcook it. But I'd rather have it a little dry than get sick. Okay. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Put this off to the side. I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer. I wish I had my thermometer so I could test a piece. All right, I think we're good. All right, so now we're gonna move that off to the side. Oh, you know what'd be funny? Is if I go, no, a little bit longer. All right, a little more oil, just a tad. We're getting nutty. We're getting nutty now. This is gonna be quick. Eggs go in. 3 eggs. All right, eggs go in. Eggs are done. All right, eggs are done. Rest of the veggies go back. Veggies go back. Come on, veggies. Get back in there. Veggies go back. All right. Now time for the rice. Rice goes down. Come on, rice. You always want day-old rice. The main reason I don't cook this a lot is because I always got to make the rice ahead of time. But this has been sitting for 2 days. So look at that. It's pretty dry, so that's good. Oh, you know what? That's plenty of rice. That's plenty of rice, huh, son? Those damn Chinese boxes are deceiving. All right, I'm gonna go with a little more garlic, just a little bit more. Going in with my sauce. The sauce is 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Doesn't taste like oysters, doesn't taste like fish. It's just really salty. All right. Going in with that. That's what gets you your brown color. If I had green onion, I would finish it with that at the end, but I don't. I forgot it. Of course I did. Of course I did. We're almost done. Let this crisp up a little bit. Oh! Pineapple. You just want to warm the pineapple through. I don't like it like scorching hot. I almost like the coolness of the pineapple, to tell you the truth. So I just warm it through a little bit. This is done in probably 15 to 30 seconds. Look at that, huh? What'd that take us? 10 minutes? 10 minutes cook time? Prep sucks, but the cook time's really fast. All right, we're done. Wow, that made a lot. Look at that. Jesus. Okay, that made a lot more than I thought it would. That was just leftover rice from the Chinese joint. Boom. Fried rice. All right, so phone overheated. Had to throw it in the freezer for a while. I got me some sriracha. And I was just going to say, what I forgot was the sugar. I don't know if I talked about the sugar, but I saw the sugar in a recipe. Didn't put it in, but it's okay. And then just a very, very light drizzle. Because this stuff goes, you put too much of this on, you'll ruin it. So a very light drizzle of sesame oil. That's plenty. I don't know if you saw that, but that was maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit. Okay. And then, like I said, if I had green onion, I would chop up green onion and put that on, just to make it pretty. And then some sesame seeds. Make it look pretty. So there you go. Look at that. There you go. Perfect. Now, I'm just going to take a little bit, put it on a plate. Oh yeah. All right. I already know it's going to be good. I've had this a million times. Well, you know what though? Today was kind of different. Today was a little different. Let's see. It's awesome. You know what? The sesame oil adds a lot. Like not a lot, but there's a little hint. And it's completely, almost too salty. Like don't add salt if you add the oyster sauce. And only a teaspoon, just a teaspoon is all you need. The pineapple is what makes this. Pineapple is awesome. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Little thing of that little teeny, I threw the box away, but that little teeny box of rice made all this fried rice. This was 1 bell pepper, 2 carrots, just a little bit of pineapple that I bought from the store. They had already cut up, and some snap peas. Used about half a bag. That's it. And it's delicious. Subscribe, like, hit the ding-ling, ding, 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 and cook this because you'll love it. Cook it for breakfast. I'm telling you, you'll love it for breakfast. Thanks.